Okay, let's follow me. Okay, today I'm with my friend. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, hello guys. My name is Muhammad Jais.
My name is Dita Sarana Salu.
What do you want to make today?
Today we want to make Brazilian soda.
Oh, what we need for the ingredients?
For the ingredients, melon syrup, carbonate water, lemon, basil seeds, and ice cream.
Okay, exactly. We want Chef Rais and Chef Dita to make Brazilian soda. Check it out.
Brazil soda is a most popular beverage in Brazil. It's a soft drink made from carbonate water, simple syrup, melon syrup, and basil seed. For the ingredients, 15 ml lemon syrup and 20 ml simple syrup and 100 ml carbonate water and 10 gram basil seed, ice cube, and lemon slice for garnish.
And today I want to explain how to make Brazilian soda. For the step, first add melon syrup, then add some simple syrup, pour carbonate water and ice cube and basil seeds for garnish, slice lemon and finish them. Okay, we will begin.
For the first, pour melon syrup. Then pour soda water or carbonate water. Use bag of spoon. Then add ice cube. And then add some basil seeds. For the finish, slice lemon. Brazilian soda is ready to serve.
Okay guys, we have seen how to make Brazilian soda, and now we go to down. We see my other friends to make something delicious. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I'm with my friend. I want to introduce my friend to you all. Bom dia. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Suganda.
My name is
Renata.
Wow, you are so funny. What's your name? Renata?
Yes. Gini. My name is Suganda Martin.
Okay, Chef Suganda and Chef Herlin, what do you want to make today?
Yeah, today we want to make chocolate truffle.
Oh, what we need for the ingredients?
Ingredient we have cream, cheese, lemon, white chocolate, pistachio.
Okay, exactly. We watch how to make chocolate truffle with Chef Suganda and Chef Herlin.
Okay, now how to make chocolate truffle. For the step, slice white chocolate. For the milk white chocolate, pour hot water. And then put the bowl.
Melt. Prepare cream cheese. And then pour white chocolate into cheese cream. Stir until mixed. Chop the pistachio. Add the pistachio into dough. Add lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Divide the dough into small pieces. Put chocolate ruffle in the freezer until soft. Melt the chocolate. Stir until melted. This is our chocolate ruffle and make a bowl shape. Cover with chocolate.